Morning everyone. In this lecture I will discuss the basic functionality of MS-DOS, basic functionality of command prompt. How can you manage your folders, how can you create files, delete files, edit files using command prompt, how can you change the directory using command prompt. So let us start. For starting the command prompt, you need to press Windows R key and then here you need to type CMD and it will open the command. Now in this tutorial what I will do, I will work in this folder. In D drive in Pankaj folder. So first of all, see here my present directory is C drive users sp1. So सबसे पहले I need to change this drive to D drive. So for that you need to type D and then D drive and press enter. Now you can see I am in D drive. I want to work in this folder, so I have to go to this folder, this one Pankaj folder, and for that you need to use cd command. It is change directory and then name of the folder. For example, folder name is Pankaj, so just press enter. Now I am in this folder, D drive Pankaj folder. यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ से आपको क्लियर हो रहा है कि now I am in Pankaj folder. Now suppose I want to see the contents of this folder. For that I have to use this command, dir command, directory command. It will show me all the subdirectories and all the files in this folder. So press enter. So here you can see there are, see जिसके आगे डायरेक्टरी लिखा हुआ है that is the folder. Fine. So here you can see the different folders like C language, docs, FDP, fee details, notes, or you can also see here I have these folders here. Fine, in my directory. So I want to explain how you can manage your drive using command prompt in an easy way. ईज़िली उसको कैसे कर सकते हो। अब इस ड्राइव में देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे कुछ पीडीएफ फाइल्स भी हैं, जैसे 1 2 3 4, दीज आर सम पीडीएफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स. So suppose I want to see only PDF folder, then I need to type directory star.pdf. So now it will show me only PDF file. So similarly, if you want to see docs file, you can see directory star.docs. So these are the MS Word files. So this way you can see the files in your directory. So now I am in D drive Pankaj folder. So suppose I want to create a file in this folder. So here there is no file, like I want to create a file tutorial MS-DOS.txt. Fine. So for that I need to use a file that is copycon. So copycon file is used to create a file. Copycon, then name of the file. So for example, my file name is tutorial ms-dos.txt. So here see my cursor is here, so I can type the contents of the file. Hello, in this tutorial you will learn the basic features of MS. And after typing you have to type Ctrl Z and then press enter, and now you can see one file copied, and I can see in my drive I have created a file tutorial MS-DOS. अगर आप MS-DOS की विंडो को, ये देखो कितना कुछ इसमें टाइप हो चुका है, अगर आप इसको क्लियर करना चाहो तो यू नीड टू टाइप CLS command. Fine, you need to type clear screen command. So for that, yeah, cls. So cls command is used to clear the screen. So far I have discussed directory command, cd command, how to look for a particular file in the directory. Fine, and cls command, clear screen command. Now suppose I want to copy this file, tutorial ms-dos file. See the contents of this file. So these are the contents of this file. If I want to see the content of this file using ms-dos, I need to type then name of the file. Fine, name of the file क्या था? Name of the file is tutorial ms-dos.txt. So here you can see the contents of the file from the command prompt. Right. So I am only discussing the basic features of ms-dos that will help you in the exams, and that will help you in managing the any drive using command prompt. Now suppose I want to copy this file tutorial ms-dos to another file. So here file name is second.txt. So for that you need to type copy tutorial ms-dos.txt, and then the syntax is copy. Fine, copy, and then file name 1 and second file name where you want to copy the contents of this file. So for that you need to enter, and see, you can see the message one file is copied, and here you can see I have created another file, that is the second file. Suppose you want to edit a file from the here only, from ms-dos only you want to edit a file. For that अब देखो, अब विंडोज़ 10 में या 64 बिट में ये कमांड नहीं चलती, लेकिन पहले क्या था, एडिट कमांड से बात बन जाती थी. तो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई वांट टू टाइप edit.second.txt, so it will not work here. Fine, because edit command is a 16-bit command. Fine, so for this purpose I need to type, there is one another option, notepad command. So notepad command is new command, so it will open this file second.txt file in notepad, and then you can edit the contents of the file. So here see, when I typed, जब मैंने notepad दूसरी फाइल नेम एंटर किया तो इसने दूसरी फाइल ओपन कर दी. हेलो, इन दिस ट्यूटोरियल यू विल लर्न द बेसिक फीचर्स ऑफ ms-dos, and suppose I want to make some changes in this file. Hope you are learning a lot, and then you can save this file and then click on close. And now if I want to check the contents of this file, so just I type second.txt. now suppose अब मुझे ये फाइल नहीं चाहिए, second.txt नहीं चाहिए, तो what I can do, I can delete it. So delete del second.txt, and now you can see this file is not here in this directory. In this tutorial I am only discussing how you can work with files, how can you work with folders and subdirectories using command prompt. Now suppose I want to create a new folder here. Fine, I want to create a folder dos commands. So here there is no such folder. Fine, there is no such folder in my directory. You can search from here, or you can search by typing directory command. So there is no such folder dos tutorial. So if I want to create a folder, you can use mkdir make directory, and then you can type the name of the folder, name of the directory you want to create. I want to create tutorial folder. Fine, and now you can see this folder. Fine, dos folder and tutorial folder. I have created two folders, one is dos folder and second is tutorial folder. So by using this command you can create multiple folders. Fine. So if you want to remove this folder, you can use remove directory folder, you can use this folder. So now there are no folders. Fine. So this way you can create a folder using mk directory command. Mk directory command is for make directory. Fine. And rd command is for remove directory command. If you want to go to some another folder, for example I want to go in this folder, see notes folder. Fine. So for that you need to type cd notes. So now I am in notes folder. Now you can see the contents. There are so many files in this folder. You want to search for only particular command, only particular files, so you want to see only PDF files. So directory start.pdf. So these are the PDF files in this folder. Fine. So far I have discussed how you can create a file using copycon, how can you delete a file, how can you see the contents of a file, how can you copy a file to another file. Fine. Similarly you can move the file from you can move the contents of one file to another file. You can create a folder, you can change the folder, you can edit the file using notepad command. So far I have discussed these. Now see, I am in notes folder, and suppose I want to go back. For going back you need to type cd dot. Now you can see I am in notes folder. So cd command is used to move to go in a particular folder. Cd means change directory, and cd dot means I want to move back to a particular. There are some other commands like volume command. It means it will show me the volume serial number of a particular. I am in D drive. There is another option, version command. So I am working in Microsoft Windows 10 version. Fine. Clear screen command I have already discussed. So I hope these basic commands will help you in managing your drive using command prompt. So I hope it's fine for now. I will not discuss the advanced feature in this video. It is a simple basic features of MS-DOS, with the help of which you can manage your drive. There is another file, help command. It will show you all the commands which you can use in a command prompt. If you want to take help of a particular command, for example I want to take help of a rename command, it will show me its detail. Rename command, rename a file or files. So let me show you the example of rename. For example I want to rename this file to tutorial.txt only. So for that you have to type rename tutorial ms.txt to tutorial file. So now see, it has changed the name of this file. So rename command, copy command, copycon command, type command, edit command. Edit command will work in only older versions of Windows. Type command. Fine. Change directory, make directory, remove directory. So these are some basic commands, and it will help you in the preparation of your exam. So thank you for watching this video.